everybody, I'm Ashley and I'm a team leader with Usborne Books and More, and I want to show you some ways to beat the summer slide. So I'm going to just show you a few books about learning or what you can use to help your kids learn. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first one I have is Wipe Clean Books. It comes with the marker, and this is Wipe Clean lowercase letters. So it starts with pen control in the beginning, tracing the lines, and then they can trace all the way through. And this is like what they do in school, is they give them these papers with the dotted lines and have them draw the letters. So this is great. You don't have to draw the dotted lines every day yourself. You can just use this, wipe it clean, and start over again the next day. And we also have one about money. Start teaching the kids about money. My little one, he calls coins hard money. That's his new thing. I want hard money. I'm like, okay, I want hard money. This is First Math. I'm using this right now with my kindergartner. So it gives you trace the numbers, and then so it's giving them pen control, practice writing, plus math all in one. This is for a little bit older. This is Telling the Time activity book. It just has tons of different activities about telling the time. We have Coding for beginners. This is a good book to keep those little minds working over the summer. This one is ages about 8 and up for this book. Fun. We have Illustrated Punctuation and Grammar and Punctuation. This might be even good for some adults in your life. You never really know. Who needs a little refresher or reminder? I learn something every time I read one of these books. We have another Lift the Flap. This is Sizes and Measuring. I love these Lift the Flap books. They are just so great for teaching kids things and learning. So In the Kitchen. And it's showing, real life examples of when you're going to be using. At the playground, all the flaps there. We have a Lift the Flap Telling Time book. I haven't used this one yet. We're still trying to grasp how long a half hour is. So maybe in first grade we'll be worried about the telling the time. But for right now, they just think 30 minutes is one show on TV. Okay. This is awesome. I absolutely love this series. So this is My First Reading Library, and it comes with all of these books in it right here. You get all of these books. And how this works is it's a progressive series, so you start with book 1, Pirate Pat. This is going to be the easiest book, and it tells you how the book works. And so I would read this side, and then I would have Riley read this side over here. And it just progresses like that. It goes through the whole series. So that is book 1. Let me show you like book 7 here. The Deep Dark Woods. The same sort of thing. The parent reads or the caregiver reads this part. And then the learning to read child would be reading this part down here. And then it goes to, so you do all the green ones in order. And then you go to the orange ones. Sun and the Wind. So this one, the child's going to be reading the whole book. And there's very, simple one. There's nice pictures to look at, very colorful, but very short sentences and words on the pages to keep them engaged. And once they start being able to read a book, even if it's an easy book, they just love it and they want to keep going. So this is amazing for that. And then we get to the purple series, The Genie in the Bottle. And this is going to have 2 or 3 sentences on a page, so getting a little bit harder to read there. All right, thank you so much for watching my video today. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Thank you. I appreciate your support.